Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by gathering everything so you can move fast. Use 200 g pre-cooked pasta or fresh quick-cook pasta to hit 5 minutes total. Measure 2 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoon flour, and 1 cup milk before you start to avoid pauses while cooking. Keep 1/2 cup grated Parmesan, 1/4 tsp salt, and a pinch of black pepper within reach. Optional extras: 1 clove garlic minced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, or a handful of spinach. Drain pasta if needed and reserve 2 tablespoon pasta water for later use. Heat a small nonstick pan over medium-high heat and melt 2 tablespoon butter. Immediately stir in 2 tablespoon flour to form a smooth paste and cook for 30 seconds. Slowly whisk in 1 cup milk, pouring in a thin stream while whisking to prevent lumps, and bring to a light simmer until slightly thickened, about 1 to 2 minutes. Stir in 1/2 cup grated Parmesan until melted, then season with 1/4 tsp salt and a pinch of black pepper to taste before combining with pasta. Place 200 g pasta into the sauce and toss vigorously, adding 2 tablespoon reserved pasta water to reach the desired creaminess. This should only take about 30 seconds. If using extras, fold in 1 handful of spinach or 1/2 cup cooked mushrooms now and heat through for another 30 seconds so greens wilt and flavors meld. Taste and adjust with more salt or 1 tsp lemon juice if desired. Serve immediately with extra Parmesan, a drizzle of olive oil, and cracked black pepper for a 5-minute white sauce pasta.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.